In Activity 12, Domestic Simple Machines, students make lists of simple machines found in the home and discuss and compare the items on their lists. The students first identify examples of simple machines found in the home, then discuss the features of these household devices that make them simple machines, and finally design and construct a mobile. You will need the following materials from the kit: Activity Sheet 12, Parts A and B, dowels, and a spool of thread. You will also need to provide pairs of scissors and assorted household items to provide samples of simple machines. To prepare for the activity, make a copy of Activity Sheet 12, Part B for each student. A student should have completed Part A prior to the start of this activity. Cut one 150 centimeter piece of thread for each team. Then, collect and bring to class various household items that make use of one or more simple machines. For example, a nutcracker, a clothespin, tweezers, a spade, a pizza cutter, pencil sharpener, and so on. Each student will need his or her completed Activity Sheet Part A, and each team of 4 students will need 5 wooden dowels, a pair of scissors, and 1 length of thread. To begin the activity, place the assortment of household objects that you have brought to class on a centrally located demonstration table. Ask students to think about what each item is used for, how it is used, and the type of simple machine on which it is based. Invite the students to produce the lists of simple machines they identified at home. Then, have the students discuss each simple machine and how it transfers or modifies the force applied in order to do work. Make sure students understand that some simple machines are a combination of 2 or more machines, for example, a rotary egg beater, and that some items can be used in different ways, such as a screwdriver, which can act as a lever or as a wheel and axle. Distribute the dowels, scissors, and thread to each team of 4, and a copy of Activity Sheet 12, Part B, to each student. Inform the students that they will construct a mobile, which is a type of sculpture that functions based on some of the same principles they've been studying. Allow time for the teams to construct their mobiles. Then ask students, what type of simple machine does your mobile resemble? When students identify the simple machine, ask, where do you think the fulcrum is for each dowel? After students have identified the fulcrum, have students draw their mobiles on their activity sheets. To conclude the activity, you may want to hang up the mobiles. If not, dismantle them, discard the pieces of thread, and return the dowels and the spool of thread to the kit. For science background, reinforcement activities, curriculum connections, and information about the Delta Science Reader, please consult your DSM Teacher's Guide.